Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create pop animation for your subscribe button. Now add images. Click stopwatch, add keyframes. Move 4 times right, change scale value to 120. Then move 3 times and scale 90. Now move 3 times more to right and scale 100. First frame, change scale value to 0. Now add outro keyframes. First frame scale value 200. Second keyframe value 120. Last keyframe value 0. You can change duration of animation. Thanks for watching. See you next time.